money to do the sanitation no come out.
You don't understand me.
Paris fund no reach that side.
Okay. Nothing concerns sanitation and the same Paris fund. Meanwhile, we will even come to that one self. I want to know how our money dey reach Paris.
That question is a small question.
We make we first after we
AGK, why they worry me
we
now?
will come back to that one. But the issue now be say we now with the
I
beg
will block your line. No, I don't like where they behave like
government,
this.
please, we beg you, make we stop to the council sanitation. Anything we una wan do, make una put am after sanitation, no matter how important. Because the safety and the cleanliness, Bible says cleanliness,
if they cancel sanitation as per official,
something is next to one.
Cleanliness is next to godliness.
Thank you. So let us be clean.
If they cancel sanitation, does it stop? They cancel am for your house.
No, now you don't understand, Michael.
Wait now.
They're not canceling for the house.
So
but let me no. Let me tell you, see that no movement, it they make people day house to work. The moment you remove the sanitation, people must find where to go.
That is because they are dirty people. This kind of talk when you talk this surprise.
Michael, na Nigerians we know ourselves. Now if they talk like say we know they really live for this Nigeria. See the moment say you day house, go fit make landlord say, oh yeah, oga we dey do sanitation, oh yeah, you sef come join us. But the moment say sanitation no dey, person don drive 6:37 don come up for house.
Now ask you one question. If they say they close market, do you still find how to eat?
They say they close market.
Say today market no go sell. You go still find how to chop.
It depends on what you get for house.
No. Only that's not the question.
Yes, now.
Whether you get something for household, or I not get something for household, do you still eat?
Now. You go eat now. Yes, now. For your neighbor house, I think you go enter somewhere. Not to eat.
Talking about your own self, not be your neighbor.
I said to enter for my own house.
Yes.
I not go eat now. If food no day.
If market close, you no go chop.
I no go chop now. What do you want chop? You go drink water.
Okay. Because market close, you no go chop.
Now they tell you now.
Market close one day. Say today, this Saturday, market no go day. So that Saturday you no go chop because market no go day.
Yes.
Hi.
Because it affects me.
You know, say lie.
I don't just want to give them glory. But the day when they say it affects me.
There is no small lie.
Lie. The day when they say
lie is lie.
Michael, wait. The day when they say make some people don't come out. That day now I won't go do the door of my car. We know they open.
What is your background music?
I know if you do on that day because I don't see anybody will go do am. It no affect me. It affect me. So if first way you no plan for, they can't say no do am. Except say you don't plan ahead for them.
Good. Good.
You don't plan
you
ahead
have come
for
to where they wait for you since yesterday.
You are welcome.
If you have planned to clean your environment, planned. Remember, they know they cancel sanitation on Monday. They know they cancel them on Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday.
Saturday.
Friday and Saturday morning. Some people need to go here say they don't cancel them. So if you have planned from the week, say this weekend, I go clean my house. You have planned. So if they cancel them, they don't cancel your mind. They, even in the cancellation warning, they still say the exercise has been cancelled, but
go ahead
and keep your environment clean. So don't support that thing.
Are they support?
Yes.
How?
Whether they cancel sanitation or not, it is not a criteria, it's not a guarantee for people to remain dirty. Must you wait until sanitation day to clean your house? The Bible says cleanliness is next to godliness. And you are here arguing that they should not cancel. They should listen.
You talk for yourself because you are not a dirty person. I know, see, there are people who will say, even if inside dustbin, once they shift, just make them say, they should just carry hand, shift the rotten things they come out, put their head, they go there. They don't care.
So not the government problem.
Now they talk now.
Not individual problem. It's not the who become myself.
Now we.
You say. You say no.
Who can be government?
Looking at governor. Who be government?
The people with their around them.
Now everybody, you, all of us, we must contribute our own quota to make our livelihood and our living better.
I am not a government, Michael. Government democracy.
Not government.
No, democracy is the government of the people, for the people, by the people.
What is by the people?
by the people, by the party.
By the party people.
No, yes, no. Not be by ordinary people. The government is by the people. In fact, we are the ruler, they are the ruler. We are just ordinary ruler. Abi, are you not a ruler? We are rulers. So now what did they tell us? If they say today no come out, no come out. If they say tomorrow come out, we come out. If they say you never see where person say we declare public holiday around 6 o'clock for evening. When the people no plan am. And some people go work the next day. Now from office they go hear say they say me we no come work. They say okay. Until we dey talk, we say no need to flood this matter. Let us keep our environment clean. Either they cancel sanitation, they no cancel sanitation, because when the flood go come.
No, nobody when it go come.
Okay, and now
as it don't come.
All of us don't.
The flood is here with us. Emmanuel.
People wey no affect. Flood with us.
Emmanuel and that flood be now.
It is here.
The flood is with us. It's just that some people, you know, when no be waiting affect everybody.
Michael, you affect everybody. Even you wey no affect, you affect your friend. You affect people wey you know where you go get to help, where you go get to assist. So it affect you.
Okay.
It affect everybody. As I did now, les gens l'ont affecté. Tout papel les beaucoup l'ont affecté. It's affecting me very much, very big.
I said it last Friday. Say government not to make life. Those that are governing, their primary aim of governing, of even having government of any sort, not to make life better for people. In as much as I say, now only God, government, will fit solve all problems.
General one.
All problems.
General one.
And that is why we pray, let your kingdom come.
But that does not still remove the fact
that we, on our own, should be able to try to make things move.
Anyway, we'll move to another topic. But before that, please, I am still soliciting for RAI. We should have RAI sanitation marshal. Rivers against indiscipline.
Stanley say most landlords and fixed meeting for sanitation day, not true.
That is here.
People want
work now. That's what we've been do before at this banner. You understand? This is part of the problem. Because ordinarily, if you want to have a meeting as landlord, no put down for sanitation day. And if it must be on sanitation day, start it from 9:30 or 9 o'clock. Make sure say people don't work or you don't coordinate your compound, people don't already they work before you go. Don't be say you don't sanitation day, you not use the whole sanitation time.
Only what spoils the meeting? Landlord can put meeting and they discuss in 5 minutes, 10 minutes. The meeting will be to gather people. So landlord say meeting, landlord say meeting, everybody will come out. And then the meeting will start from 7 to 7:30. 30 minutes. Which is they spoil the meeting and when landlord or when one tenant come bring out one bottle of kai. Say in this meeting, landlord, I donate to make the meeting they go siriri werere. My mama their language be that siriri werere. That is smoothly. To make this meeting going siriri werere, I donate this one bottle of God in G. The other one will say another tenant we want show say
okay, you guys don't pass me.
They want to pass
show me. Okay.
Go enter house, come on, landlord. Some of us don't drink God in G. There is no way we can survive with God in G. It burns the heart. It burns the heart. So now I have
go to the traditional drink.
No, I have two red wine.
I want some machine.
I want brandy. They don't drop. Then Mama Okechuku, where they sell shop. Papa Okechuku tell us say, make landlord increase our rent.
Go bring biscuit.
No biscuit. Go bring some canned beer. Bring like stout. Some people are not well. They can't drink red wine. They can't drink all those things. Mama Okechuku, Papa Okechuku, in conjunction with Mama Okechuku, we are donating 5 cans of small stout and and
other ones.
Just they call them various and various variety. My brother, When the drink don't start.
Which kind of English be that? Various variety.
When the drink don't start, sanitation is over.
People sometimes they convert it.
They drink it well. That is what spoils the problem. I like landlords that put meeting on sanitation.
See, Michael.
But they should ban any sort of some
Drink.
support. Let the support come on a Sunday.
This thing you have said now, there is, in fact, this one it can even be controlled when it be landlord and tenant. What of landlord association meeting? That is landlord and landlords putting heads together on that sanitation day. Meanwhile, these are the people who supposed to coordinate the sanitation for their compound. All these kind of things they're supposed to
But wait, how they go coordinator? It be small pikin.
Michael, be like say you don't understand. See, you want people to manage na human being. See, Michael, they talk, okay, why do we have police? If people know say it is not good to fight or it's not good to thief, is it not human being? See, get things wey be say you know. Bible say to him wey know good thing and no do am, na to that person na him be sin. So God, people Bible self recognize say some people know say this thing na good but they no go do am. So people wey know say dirty, it is not right to put it come inside gutter, come put am inside gutter, and the person wey come clean the gutter later, which one even worse pass? It is les gens l'appellent les pour la concombre de la gotti. Je l'appelle le was.
Yeah, I am a victim of the flood. A major one.
Anyway,
the truth is this.
We don't to talk flood.
No be concombre or putting in the gutter alone with the problem. Concombre and dirty pouring and all those things are part of it. In fact, dirty collection self don't even dey easier. Abokipo dey push bolodo. Put it in the gutter that truck.
Truck pusher.
Where they burn an iron truck pushing. Then they collect
200.
They recollect 1,000 at the month end. Just pay them, they'll carry 30. But the problem is, where are they dumping it?
Oh, back to the top.
Okay. The biggest problem, Kunle, na contractors, na lack of proper town planning. When town they develop, they grow. As they grow, the government, that is, I don't talk of wicked government too. The government, right from when Rivers State was created to today, now I put for all of the matter. Every governor and the government, environment commissioners are #1 culprit.
Sure.
Now, when you don't say this area don't they develop, they go. You come there, come planner. People won't sell their farmland there. Because most places we don't develop na farmland. When we there for Nanka they grow. All this Olu, all that Paralink Road area them from waiting I hear. Water they come there, people they catch fish and all those things. But the water they dry sometimes. Those days they say after 7 years the big one they come. Up to MCC, up to Boricamp, all those areas, Devange areas, Timothy Lane them, up to all those areas where Abundant Life buy, Abundant Life compound, that church. Now our man, but now everything I hear when I make small investigation. One Silver Valley, the Silver Valley church, now by the last one we block the final water for that Golu side.
Then the opposite time now, Christ Embassy too.
They say water enter the Christ Embassy except this time.
They enter there.
Yeah.
Now
So,
then by the opposite.
now then by the opposite, all those areas, they were waterways where people, as town they grow. Fine, I agree that say Lagos is below sea level, but Rivers is right there above sea level at most places. I do research, I work out this thing because it affects me wickedly. Now, Lagos is there above sea level, I below
sea level.
Still manage plan.
Ahead.
Now sometimes if they come do them, go back, which is expected because they're below. They even get lost, they even live at all there. Now you in Port Harcourt where they are above, we get chance of planning wonderful drainages, major takeaway drainages. There's nothing wrong with town developing. Bushes, people go buy them. Life go move. Everybody don't go to one place. You understand? Many people, when Rivers the government they say investors come. Investors will come and invest in the state where they don't go stay somewhere. People they go carry come, no go stay somewhere. People they grow. People they born, children they multiply. The more the days they go, the more people they plenty. Children now they even born even before they become bornable, when they reach bornable age. Before they reach bornable age, and they're born. So it is natural. That is how human being progress. So it is the place of government to come to these areas. That is why we pay taxes. You know, so the funky for today not go funny too much because people are suffering.
Yes, because people are.
Don't discuss these issues.
They're serious.
That is why people they pay taxes, allocation they come, Paris Club Fund money they come, NDDC they there, all not to develop these areas where they even bring the oil where they develop the country. The development of this area not be 1 kilometer road, not be 2 kilometer road.
Yeah.
Sometimes people can even manage grade their road by themselves. They pass, which we did in my area. No NDDC hear our voice. No government hear our voice. We contributed, some people contributed sharp sand, some contributed hardcore, blah blah blah. Take care of before you run from where they live. Only I want pour hardcore 2 times for the street. Government no hear voice. Funky for no talk. Apart from now, why they talk? So those things are not the development. The development is when people don't raise money. They manage, they build their houses. Government supposed come now, come help them, create drainage passage ways for them. Now the state supposed get a drainage system which everybody got to pursue to connect to, like it is in London. London is city waiting for water. It doesn't flood. It they happen. Flood they happen for London. Even this last month it happened. But the flood they happen now flood of the type that happen for road safety.